Good try. Yes, my boy, keep trying, yeah. Levi, so what you're doing now, you're building resilience, you know? That is how life is. You know, Levi, baby? You know, my baby? Yes, life will come and knock you down. But you have to just get up back and keep trying, eh, my baby? Yeah, man. Yeah, my little putos. You keep rebuilding. And it doesn't matter how many times you have to start over, my son. You just keep going. Good job. Wow. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. You did well. And you go again. Guys, you notice? He's not complaining. My son Levi is not complaining that his hard work has gone in vain. You notice? He jumps right back in and he continues. I'm learning from him. I'm learning from him. I won't complain. Yes, I'll state facts. And of course, I have feelings, but I won't complain. I have to start over. I start over. Keep it moving, right? All right, guys. Later, later.